B-roll of colorful food trucks, sizzling food, long lines of happy customers. Ever thought about quitting your day job, hitting the road, and making a living serving delicious food from your very own food truck? Well, it's not just a dream. It could be a real, profitable business. But before you rev the engine, there's a lot to know. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how to start, what it costs, how to advertise, what to sell, how many people you'll need, and whether it's really the right business for you. Welcome to the channel. How to get started, step by step. Step 1. Decide on your food concept. Will it be burgers, tacos, vegan bowls, or something unique that no one else is serving? Step 2. Check your local regulations. Every city has its own rules for food trucks, so you'll need permits, licenses, and a food safety certificate. Step 3. Get your truck. You can buy new, which can cost a lot, or start with a used one and customize it. Step 4. Test your menu. Before you hit the road, try pop-up events or cater for friends and family to get honest feedback. Step 5. Plan your route and schedule. Festivals, lunch spots, late-night events, wherever the crowds are hungry. How much does it cost? Here's the real talk. Starting a food truck isn't cheap, but it's still far less than opening a restaurant. Used food truck, $50,000 to $100,000. New fully equipped truck, $100,000 to $200,000. Permits, licenses, insurance, $5,000 to $10,000. Initial inventory and supplies, $3,000 to $5,000. Marketing and branding, $1,000 to $5,000. All in all, you're looking at anywhere from $60,000 to $200,000 to get rolling. But remember, this is your mobile restaurant, so you're saving on rent and utilities. What to sell for maximum profit? Your menu should be simple, consistent, and profitable. Food trucks work best with items that are quick to make, easy to eat, and have good markup. Think tacos, gourmet burgers, specialty coffee, loaded fries, fusion foods like sushi burritos or Korean barbecue sliders. Pro tip, keep your menu to 3 to 5 main items. Too many options slow you down and increase waste. How to advertise and get customers. This is where many food truck owners win or lose. Advertising doesn't have to be expensive, but it does have to be smart. Social media is your best friend. Post daily on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Show the food, the cooking process, and your happy customers. Use location tagging. Let people know exactly where you'll be and when. Partner with events like local fairs, music festivals, and brewery nights. Offer loyalty programs. Punch cards, discounts, or free items for repeat customers keep them coming back. Word of mouth is huge. Be friendly, make connections, and treat every customer like gold. How many people do you need? Most food trucks run with 2 to 3 people. 1 person cooking, 1 taking orders and payments, 1 helping with prep and serving. If your menu is small and you're starting out, you might run it with just 2. But at busy events, 3 or more can keep things moving fast. How to get profit? Here's the math. Let's say you sell 100 meals in a day at $12 each. That's $1,200 in revenue. Your food cost might be $400, leaving $800. After subtracting fuel, wages, and event fees, you might keep $300 to $400 a day. Do that 20 days a month, and you're looking at $6,000 to $8,000 in monthly profit. Of course, slower months will happen, so budgeting is key. Is this a good business for anyone? Food trucks can be fun, creative, and profitable, but they're not for everyone. Pros: lower startup costs than a restaurant. Flexibility to go where the customers are. Creative freedom with your menu. Cons: long hours and hard physical work. Weather and season affects sales. High competition in popular areas. Bottom line, if you love food, enjoy meeting people, and don't mind hustling, a food truck could be a dream job. So, are you ready to hit the road and serve up something amazing? If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Share this with a future food truck owner, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, go make something delicious